In today's video I'm going to talk you through using Apple Photos, the Apple Photos app, how you can select photos, delete them, and also if you lose them because you've deleted the wrong photos, how you can retrieve them. So let's get started. So here you can see I'm going to select the Photos app. You can see I've gone in another way to select the Photos app. Now I'm in the library. I can select the photos. So when the photos are selected, you get a little tick next to them. Then you go down there to the bin. Down in the bottom right hand corner. Dog's moaning because he's bored. Now if you go into collections, you can see recently deleted. So if you select the photo you recently deleted and you want to recover, you just press down on it, and then you get the option to delete or recover. Now if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Go watch some more videos on the iCloud, or you can watch videos on how to use Google Photos. Thanks for watching.